Saturday morning. Davis and Carol have arrived. They're staying in the cedar room.
And this a 4-bedroom.
Sound like what we spent at Hard Rock. Yeah.
Cassie's here.
I know. Yeah, I told you about
Davis
that.
Carol's here. The dogs are here.
First deal in, I was like, all right, Hard Rock paid. Oh, they got sent you two bills?
Oh, all the bar and restaurant. All that bird chasing got you tired, Levi? All that bird chasing got you tired, Layla? Yeah? Yep, relaxing in the chair. Come on, Levi. Get back up there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love this place. We like it.
Don't work too good up there.
Got our ice cream from the 2 scoops. They have 2 scoops instead of 2 pops.
Hola. How was the festival?
Very packed, but it's cool.
See all the old cars?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're still out
There's
there.
not too much like little side things. It's mostly like, oh, we'll clean your house, or yeah,
Businesses promoting themselves.
I mean, it's a little store, it's a little bit of food, but
we got sunglasses.
Oh, there you go.
nice.
Yeah, holding your hair out of your eyes.
Yeah.
Do they have good prices?
$37 for shrimp and grits.
Oh yeah,
Salads are
that's about
19.
the same as the Sandbar.
So you remember last year?
Yeah, there was a.
For my cheeseburger paradise, I'm making the best very virtual eyes, working every day just to sacrifice. Cheeseburger paradise, I'm a cheeseburger paradise, cheeseburger paradise. All right, one more time.
He was out this morning. iHeartRadio, listen anywhere.
Hey, they go.
Hey, they got beer.
Hey guys, just so you know, we are the Tropicats.
You can walk down here with beer.
$6 a beer.
How much?
It's $6, but it's like Bayfest.
Yeah. They have tap down there though.
Let's get
Someone's
some.
pulling tap on their wall.
At the Grubs, they got more beer. The Grubs barbecue.
Ultra or Bud Light?
Yeah, culture.
4 ounces?
Yeah.
What flavor you want?
Right.
4 ounces. Awesome.
That's where we're at. Bayfest. Yeah, on down the way they got whole car show, food vendors. What are the wristbands for?
You can have one. It's free if you look too young.
Oh, I don't
Go
know.
to the other booth.
I'm good. I was definitely born.
Here's a couple of
Those are for the younger.
drinks at my bar. I have a Bloody Mary bar on Sundays. It's over the bridge at Fort Town.
Alright, thank you. Snickers Eatery, got it. 410. Thank you. Alright. B12 and vitamin D shots. Yeah, just keep drinking beer.
So that's about it.
Yeah.
Can't get a hangover to stay drunk.
It's not a benefit.
Yeah, it's a little shop up here on the left.
Let us know when to go and we'll go.
It's got the little remote control, like ours. You've got little LEDs behind it.
The look it's got
Yeah, that's
hanging on
neat.
it, too.
It's not seaweed all the time.
I used to do that.
He's got olive on his bumper, but now it's like we covered the sides, so now it's like double.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Finding stuff for grandchildren. Oh my. Ours is 2.5. That's what you Nice stuff. Yeah. I bought Carol like what, $800
Cell phone holders.
You don't push super hard for the doctor, but you do it for sure.
You gonna try it? In a garbage can, you're used to swimming in them,
Hey,
so.
we gotta do something with that for trick or treat. Hey, so take this fruit, you get this, you get this. Oh, you're done with that. I'll make it. About that today, we have a farm from here. I go to work now.
High noon. High noon. Yeah, it smells good.
Let me go ask you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, excuse me.
You're fine. Oh yeah.
That's pretty with the hair.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
Yikes. Yeah, after all this is the car show bit. I don't know if it's still going on or not. Probably love it.
Yeah.
They probably love it.
One grand dog at a time.
I
I
know.
could get that for Jade.
Yep.
Or that one's easily distracted by dogs. That's the one Jade needs. You can get him a hat.
Yeah, look at that little thing. Little ear.
Look at the Hawaiian shirts back there.
That's funny. That is funny. These are pretty. Manatee pottery. Coffee cups. Yeah, we already passed that little dress outfit.
That's flamingo for my porch. That's
You
my
want
other
another one?
How are y'all doing?
This is a crazy one. How much is this guy?
$50. He opens up and you put a little electric tea light inside and the light shines through all the pins.
Oh, really? Okay.
Triple coated, so it can be inside or outside.
All right. Very cool. We're checking things out. We're buying things on the way back.
Here's their beer tent.
World's thinnest
It's already
wallet.
there. Davis is already at the fucking beer tent.
Oh yeah.
This
No doubt.
is 2 rescue owls, and she has a turtle as well.
Oh really?
In a couple of weeks, we're having a rally for the Constitution and women's voting rights. It's going to be in Bradenton.
Oh wow, that's a real one.
It's a lot.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I don't know off all of
Very
I will
cool.
tell you one thing. I know some photographers that will play the owl call, trying to get an owl in closer so they can photograph it. And I know one gentleman, he's got nailed twice. And I mean, like, goddamn, it just like ripped. You know, big old.
Yeah, their claws are one of the strongest out of any bird.
Wow. That's cool. Maybe it wasn't. Hi. Whoop. Not in here. All right, where's my group? Okay.
Take it.
Oh, yeah.
One ticket.
One leeway.
Nice.
I seen this guy pull in this morning.
Has an eject button.
Oh, yeah.
The cigarette lighter, but it's still cool.
That's cool when you're home.
Look at the wheels on it.
Yeah. Somebody did some good body work on that car.
It's a Chevrolet. Yeah, that paint is really nice.
Partners. Didn't he have a Batman car? Yeah, it's a Batman.
No, he did.
Yeah.
He was batshit crazy. Literally batshit crazy.
I used to, Davis,
Literally.
you see that GTO? I used to run into the back of one of them with my Bronco and push started. In high school.
Yeah.
The guy sitting in asking,
I think about that. I'm like,
did so and so
who
own this?
destroyed that car?
Look at the back. It looks like a jet.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jet.
Woo!
It was red. It was just like that. Got the parachute.
I didn't even
Pontiac.
There's a lot of them. Look, SS, SS, SS.
Oldsmobile 442. I like the 442 though.
Oh my god. He's had that on record forever. Now your father's
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely That's
Hey, we got Smokey and the Bandit up there.
Smokey and the Bandit? Oh, yeah. Do not touch. Yep. Smokey and the Bandit. Trans Am.
Eleanor.
That was Ford
I
though.
remember Gone in 60 seconds.
That was Ford. ZR1.
My mom
Carbon fiber.
she bought from the guy that had to go way
Mustang.
Yeah. My mom still got the Hellcat. All my Hellcats flew off. I had to go back up there and get them parked.
Yeah. It looks like, it's not running.
You see somebody on the side of the freeway
Yeah.
with their car broke down, the hood up.
Oh, hood's up, and they're
Somebody
looking.
pulled up close to them and they're getting out jumping.
No, that's running because the battery's dead. We're driving down the freeway.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, I remember my daddy had a car lot, so I was trained. Probably.
Oh. I think they're leaving.
I took it off road.
What have you not destroyed? That's probably
Yeah.
an easier subject.
That's probably an easier one.
I destroyed
Neil's
one.
got that on camera.
I do.
Bought it for $150.
Definitely. There's old Monte Carlo, Super
Monte
Sport.
Carlo SS.
Yep, I see that. They didn't sign up for the car show, but they parked close enough to check it out.
Yeah, it's good.
Island Charms. Oh, can't bring
Life isn't
stuff in.
perfect, but your jewelry can be. Yep.
All right. Okay.
You're gonna do one or not? Okay. Okay, yeah.
What'd you end up getting?
That ring right there.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty. Turquoise?
No, it's made of sand. It's a
Man. Can I try that one on my thumb?
Huh?
That little one on my thumb?
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be all right.
So 2 10s, a 13, a number 4, and a bank.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Mm. Yeah, there was a whole group here playing darts last night.
You have to see the bartender for service here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, here's your first play.
My first what? No, Davis, that's terrible. Everybody's having a good time today. Yeah, heck yeah. We can buy them a case of Cheetos. Not for us, but Carol.
That out of it.
I need an Uber.
That's what I want.
I know.
That's what we were talking about earlier.
What?
It's okay.
You wanted one like that?
Yeah, I wanted one like
I want it inside.
yeah. Yeah.
We sat out there yesterday.
Any place that has to go 2 blocks over.
Oh, this
Yeah, I mean, I've been to games all night. So same thing as Baton Rouge.
yeah, that was good.
Yeah, but it was just, I thought it was funny. And then it was just on fun.
Sit on the beach and come over here and get some beers.
Oh, okay. All right, here we are.
Look, we got giraffes on floors.
What'd you get?
I got the submarine. Like it. Oh man.
Could have bought a 450 one.
That's probably me.
Hold on, my friend. I got you, buddy.
All right.
That's what it said. And all three?
Hi, hold on.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Cash.
Yeah, Cash is here too. And Tonky. All right.
We gotta
All
move
right.
stuff over because
All right. Yeah, turn the blinker off. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So full.
oh
we've been, yeah, we've been doing.
You guys just ate?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah, we haven't ate anything.
All right.
Hi guys.
I should have told you that. Yucky! Yay! Come on! Yes, my baby. Yeah. Yes, but it's lamb.